गुड सॉरी गुड इवनिंग एवरीवन. सो देखते हैं व्हाट कैन हैपन इन मार्केट ऑन ट्यूसडे. राइट, as you guys know, when this low has been made, that time I said to one of my mentorship student that we will not be visiting this low very soon. That is why I was carrying long calls for today session, and it rewarded me in the first minute only. Okay. After that, I told you guys that buy on dips should be the theme of market, and if you bought any, you can say dip, you might have made some profit. Okay. Now a lot of people saying that market will recover, short covering, and all those things. We'll see what can happen on in market for Tuesday. First of all, we'll see the data. In terms of data, you can see 48,000 long contracts has been added, and these are bullish positions. These are bullish position which are capable enough to take market at least 200 300 points up in morning only. And but overall bearishness is there, and net uh, FII are bearish, so don't expect a huge move like to the all-time high. Market will reverse tomorrow after an initial move. After an initial upside, market either reverse or it will consolidate in a tight zone with some negative bias. That is my take on the data, that what data is indicating. Okay. And today our BTST indicator was saying that 4.55 was the score. It is a healthy score, but I did not take any call. The reason being because I was sure that market would be bullish tomorrow first session, but gap up I was little bit not sure. Why? Because I don't see any scenario where we can open gap up. Though we may open gap up, but it was safe not to carry any long calls. But I suggested you to take short puts. I mean, you can short the puts that you can carry because theta effect would save any I mean that is can be carried if for tomorrow. So I'm not carrying any call or any positions for tomorrow. A success. These are I will explain you some other day. Okay, so this is data what is telling us. Now, interpreting data, what can happen? Guys, what I'm expecting, we will be, might be touching this 50% mark tomorrow, 50% retracement of this. And please don't expect this level to get crossed. I mean, anything can happen, but this is difficult. This, taking out this level would be a task. I mean, this. Okay, if you see any price in this zone, you can short it with some 50-60 point SL stop loss. Okay, so tomorrow I'm expecting market to visit this area or reverse from there, and it will consolidate with some negative buyers. And on Wednesday, which is weekly expiry this time, I'm expecting a bearish expiry. Maybe we can touch this zone also on expiry. I mean, expiries of after I mean one day all. Okay, so I don't predict very far from today, but yes, I'm expecting expiry to on expiry day we must be visiting this area. So overall, in the first half, if you see a, flat opening or gap down opening, you can initiate buy trades, and this should be your target. This is spot chart, guys. Okay, so 40,000, 150, 200 level should be your target. And please don't, if you get the move in first half, don't sit. That market might again go up in second half. Very, it's very unlikely tomorrow. Okay, if in case in first half you see some bearishness or market not climbing up, then second half could be bullish. It depends upon a lot of things. So this is it from my side, guys. I try to keep videos very simple. I mean, uh, because there is nothing. I mean, yes, this area can reach. You can short here. You can buy if there is a flat opening. And on a Wednesday expiry, we might be visiting this area. That is, I don't. I'm not predicting, but my indication what data is giving. Okay, so let's see OI. If you see OI, in case the 40,000 has some writing, I see a change in OI. So I think today a lot of short covering is there, but we don't see any short covering in our. Uh, I mean, okay, 39,800 is quite a call writing, but that is equally met by the you can say put writing. So uh, we can break 40,000 tomorrow. A possibility is there as per the OI statistics. Okay, I'm signing off. Take care, guys. Have a profitable trading day. I'm not able to, you know, uh, post these videos very regularly because a lot of pressure is there from, from my personal work. But whenever I get time, I try to do that. And please, if you want to follow my calls, my analysis, and my take on decoding market, you can join my Telegram channel. Why Telegram? Though I'm not fan of Telegram, but the reason being on Twitter it's very difficult to make things organized. So that is why I have opened a Telegram channel. You can join there, and everything is free there. I mean, it's not premium or sort of. So again, take care, guys. Have a profitable day. Bye.